Hi, sorry for the interruption. My name is Mrs. Solushola from Shasha Alimosho branch. Have a tenancy case reported by Mr. Izuna against Mr. Benga Oliliola. Both parties are live to our office. Please join us as we intervene. I kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel on Access to Justice TV and follow us on our Facebook page on Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocacy Center. For more useful information, visit our website on www.hrdac.org.ng. Sorry for all the stress. As you complain, you did not hear me. Now you are hearing me. Better talk. Just a thumb up. Okay, start from the beginning. What is your name and what is your complaint?
Mr. Izuchukwu.
Okay.
My complaint is house. I rented house last month. As I park, enter inside the
They
house.
look me here where they talk to. Face me here so they talk.
As I park, enter the house. Last week, the second week, rain started falling. From that week, as the rain started falling, it enter inside the house, even from up to under. It enter inside the house. So I now call my landlord to come and see the house.
Sit well. Sit well. Sit up. You are not lying down in your house. You are sitting there. Yeah. Sit and talk on the yeah.
So I call my landlord to come and see the house. So my landlord now come. I now carry my phone up and everything inside the room. My landlord just see. Okay, later.
The water fall inside your phone.
Bottle of foam, everything we have inside the room. The water spoil everything.
You have the picture.
Everything is inside the room now.
Hello. Come.
Inside
Give
the
me
room.
that phone.
Inside the room, everything is inside the room. Even till today, inside the room. Both of my phone. My phone, I just carry my phone outside the corridor. It's inside the corridor till now. So I now call my landlord about the house issue. My landlord said, we call carpenter to come and do it. I now wait, and as I'm waiting, more than 1 week ago, I did not see my landlord. And I got meeting his mom, mama, complain to mama. As I complain to mama, mama saw none of his concern about the house issue.
Who is mama?
There is Mr. Gwenga, mama, is living for the compound. So I now wait. Even the number where Mr. Gwenga give me, I called the number, switch off. So almost that last week, the second week, I now see Mr. Gwenga. I call Mr. Gwenga, come and see the house. Rent. He now asked me what happened, what happened, what happened. I said nothing happened. Enter inside the room and come and see. He now follow me.
Use the microphone properly and stop the demonstration with your hand. You are using to hold the mic.
Okay. He now follow me, enter inside the room. He just see it. After he see it, he now say he will call carpenter. More than 4 days, I did not see. More than 4 days, 5 days, I did not see her. I went to work, come back. My wife just tell me, say Mr. Gbenga come. He now complain about the same carpenter issue. He now tell my wife, say as you go and look for carpenter, whatever anything where carpenter need, say we will provide. I say okay. I go and I see carpenter. I carry carpenter enter. I did not see Mr. Gwenga. I call his number, switch off. I carry the carpenter, go meet mama, his own mama. Mama just spoke to me, say they have carpenter. Say they will call their carpenter to come and do the work. And I call the carpenter what bring to go. give itself.
Give
Both
your
of
phone,
us.
give the mic to your wife. I know say na like this you dey talk, that's why you wan help me talk am. Madam, talk, tell us wetin happen abeg, make I do attend to other things. She big reach, you dey look for another place dey talk wetin I no understand.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Speak loud.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah.
Last month, June, we rent an apartment for Efalaye, number 10. So, that last month, after a week that we rent the apartment, rain fall. I enter inside my room, soak everything, even my phone, my television, even my laptop that I have, water soak the laptop, everything. That the same day, I called Mr. Ibenga to come and see the wetin happen, and that the same day water, even the water enter dem own house. As I come and see the thing, and shebi I dey ask you that day whether rain dey enter, I say rain no, nothing like rain issue, rain no dey enter. I say okay, no wahala. And now the Mr. Ibenga now see the thing, then he left, and I come oga, my oga come back from work, now pack the water. After 3 days, another rain fall. That one now come out from the floor. So after that day, even the same rain soak my bed. Since when I park inside that house, I never use my bed sleep for one day.
Where you dey sleep?
I dey sleep for floor. Even my bed down outside, na so I dey dry my bed every day. Sometimes I will comot. If I come back, rain will soak my bed. If rain fall, every place wey dey rain fall, rain will soak my bed and everything. If I come back, I will clean one side and sleep. And na so I dey do am since last month. Okay, inside this month, Mr. Ibenga call my husband around after 12, around after 11 to 12. He called my husband and tell my husband, he now carry my husband outside. He now tell my husband that if you this house wey we dey stay, instead of us to stay here and disturb the mama, make we refund the money, make we pack comot. I say my oga enter inside and tell me, I say okay, better make you refund the money, because I will not continue like that. Since that day, since that ending beginning of this month, since that day till now, I never seen. Na today I set my eyes on him, and since that time, the number wey he give us is no going. If you call him, if you even any number wey the number wey he give us, if you call the number will no go. And if you meet him mama, say see wetin dey happen, mama go tell you that one is not her business, is none of dem business. Okay, the carpenter wey my husband carry come, the mama discharge the carpenter. He said that let the carpenter go, they will do the work. Okay, still yet they no do the work. Even up till now, my bed is outside. Na so I dey dry my bed every blessed day. My bed is outside up till now. And
All the thing wey dey rain spoil, when I no pack am come here so that they will arrest the landlord to repair this one. What and what the rain spoil?
rain spoil my television, plasma television, rain spoil it.
How the rain carry enter? Come
The rain enter inside my room, even e reach half of the building that day.
do you video it?
Yes, there are videos from that day.
Which
Before I
one you
leave
video?
the
If the rain reach that half of the house, where did you sleep? Where were you when the
we
rain?
packed the water that day. We packed the water because the rain started in the morning around after 6 to 7. So we packed the water that day. They pack the water, they throw the water outside the road. And so we do am that day. I even say that day I finished packing the water around after 6 before we sleep. That day I no even eat. None of us cook that day. We no eat. Na water we dey pack since that na as we pack the water since then we dey sleep out for the floor.
Hello, wear your jacket and come here.
And
Fine.
and since that day, if the day when my oga call the carpenter, dem discharge am. I call Mr. Benga. He say we should find another carpenter, and we don find another carpenter. Your mother discharge the carpenter. After he say they will still find another one, and they will still find another. I say if you you cannot tolerate this thing. He say they will still find another one. They still find. I say okay.
Who is telling you they still
It,
find another
Mr.
one?
Ibenga. And I say okay. Since then we still waiting. Even up till now, they never bring another carpenter. The one wey dem say dem bring, they no do anything. The rain still dey enter inside my room. Even from the floor side of the junction of the buildings, rain dey come out from the floor. That day, rain enter inside, and na so the rain dey enter. If I tell them, they say it's not their business. That one is not concerning them. Okay, The day wey dey talk about that money, she say that we go refund the money. As her senior abi as junior sister, I don't know. She say that the money, they will no fit return the money. If you anything wey we go fit do, make we go do, they no go return the money. Na wetin her junior sister talk.
Who do you pay the money to?
Is him. Na wetin her junior sister talk. I say which type of, if na you dey stay here, can you tolerate this kind thing since how many months? He said now is not their business, they no fit do anything, they don try for us. Wetin we try do the thing for us, you no do. Do the floor, they no do. Okay, refund the money, they no wan refund. Wetin we wan make us do? Make we leave the money and pack abi wetin? So I no fit suffer for how many years and leave the money like that and go. He say make we go do anything wey we wan do. They no fit return the money. I say okay,
How
no.
much do you pay?
We pay 180,000, and even the 180,000 wey we pay, both agent agreement and everything, he's not the one that paid our agent. Say that they no need agent. I'm the one that pay my agent for me to get what I want. But as I enter, this day when I enter, ask this ceiling there, I see the rain dey enter. They come from. He say no, rain no dey enter. The day wey rain fall, I carry my oga carry am come that day, and they carry am come. He carry the bed up. He see the way the water dey drop in from that bed. Even I call him, I call her sister, even him mama, I call him mama, come make you come and see. It's her too. I may no be say I just want bring trouble for them. I call three of them, they see the thing, they say no problem, no problem, they go do am. I say okay. Since then we still waiting, they never do anything. Even her junior sister, the last one, yesterday she dey bathroom and bathing. She now dey tell my oga, shebi na common driver like him. He get money to waste na common driver. Make we go come na. They no go bring the money. No matter anything wey they do, they no go bring the money.
Who was telling you that?
Na her sister, junior, the last one. Na wetin that one dey talk. My oga come dey tell me, I say make you no worry. Shebi na through wetin dem tell us, na we go know wetin we go do. So okay. Even yesterday, the junior, the same that girl, she went to and confess my friend. Na whether na that my friend na she carry me come. Even say dem get problem with that person, they come dey confess that girl say na him carry me come. Why you go carry me? Why you go carry me come for woman rights? So all of them get wrong. The woman, as I go there, the woman come dey tell me wetin happen. I say make you no vex, no be her fault. Na because of dey sit me and she dey rapport, dey talk. That is why dem say like that. Even this man here, the day when he come back, the day wey we tell am about the money, he tell my make we refund the money. As my enter inside, me I just start for the door. And now he now tell him mama, shebi na money, make we come collect the money. They come dey use Yoruba, dey talk, dey laugh. And anytime when I wan baff, her junior sister will tell me that the water that I fetch from well is too much for me to go toilet. Even though I carry water to buy, they tell me say the water is too much. He now ask me about that. And I tell him say my sister, and she just tell her something. I say yes. Why your sister would tell me like that? Abi because of I too small for her to tell me that the water I fetch that is too small for me to go toilet. And no be she fetch the water for when I'm the one that fetch the water. He said, "My no vex this." And I said, "Okay, but you know that your sister they are doing like this." I said, okay. And the man I say, we don't know what you go do now. Now I know the vex. No be everything I got the vex. I said, this one don't pass vex. Make dem return the money, everything. Sometimes my window side na so now I don't know whether na we are be waiting to dey pour for that my window side every morning. Even now said once dem pour this money is there every morning. If you no fit stay for my parlour, if you stay there the we go dey smell. Sometimes na so dem pour this. Now I now call her sister. The day when she pour that thing, pour the we now pour for my body. I don't know wetin dem she carry. She carry the water abi wetin do am for like this for my body. I said, why do you pour this water for me? Abi you no see me abi wetin? Again say you no even do as if say person dey ask am question, just enter inside. I went inside and call my husband say see wetin dis girl do, and the water dey for my hand. I carry am like that go show my
Which
husband.
type of water?
I don't know, the water dey inside custard bucket. I don't know wetin dey inside, but the thing touch my body. And now my husband now come outside, call the girl. My husband stand outside up to more than 30 minutes. The girl did not come outside. The time when she will come outside,
You wan go wash your face? Nothing dey eat you.
the time when she come outside, my oga dey ask, shebi na you I dey call since inside? She no even answer. I just dey waka. My oga ask am again. He say, wetin? My oga come dey ask am, why you pour me that kind water? Abi you no see me? Abi you no hear the time wey I dey tell you this thing? He say he no hear anything. before God and man, you no hear anything. Come dey ask my oga friend wey dey with us that time. Come dey use because the man dey yarn Yoruba, then he dey yarn any language. Come dey use Yoruba, dey ask the man whether I talk anything. The man dey tell say I tell am he pour me water, he did not answer me. The girl come dey para dey chat that day. I say this thing wey you dey do, no be say person no know wetin he go do. Just that make person know him right. No be say I no know wetin I go do you. Make you respect herself. Na wetin I tell the girl that day. She say anything wey I wan do, make I go do. The junior one say I no go fit do her sister anything. Anything wey I wan do, make I go do. If I wan beat her, make I come beat her. I say okay, me and you no get problem. And the reason why I call you today na because of my husband is around. If you not around, I know wetin I go do to you. Na so I tell her that day. I now carry my attachment and this thing wey I dey do, carry am enter inside. After that day, and I asked that girl the same that day, she said that na the water that she pour inside that my window side, and she will still continue pour the water. I cannot stop her to stop pouring the water again. I asked her what? She said yes, that I cannot stop her to pouring that water again. That the house is their house. I said if it's your house, if it's your papa house, if it's whatever house, but somebody have rent the house, and somebody have the person is paying you money for every month for that house. Why wetin give you the God to pour that thing for that my window side? Have you seen me ever carry water or anything pour for your window or anywhere your side or domot? She say I no fit stop am. Anything wey I like, make I go do. Only complain, I go fit complain. Na wetin carry me come. Make dem refund the money. Make dem take their house and refund my money for me. Make dem give my money complete. Refund the money.
Give him mic, let him respond. And bring a video of what the water is.
Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon.
I'm Mr. Gbenga Oniliola, living at number 10 Efanlaye Street, Shasha Ogotade. I collected a rentage from Mr. Esther, true. But when they enter the parking May 27, this month make it 2 months, which they enter. After 2 weeks, rainfall also. Though the man asked me, rain dey enter. I say rain no dey enter here o. Ask people wey dey the street. He say they don even tell am say rain no dey enter. When that rain, the rain start around 6. When the rain fall, there is this military man at the back of our house.
This is inside room.
So
Inside room. No, the one I'm saying this erosion is inside room.
That first one that you see, because I video the thing, I enter, follow the backyard, and video go the backyard. That first
Show me the one for room. Rain for not come for backyard. Show me the one for room. Go ahead.
So that military man, he broke the fence from the back, and which one of them saw the whole matter. We even went there to go and meet that military man. That why did you do this now? The man started begging that one of his son that broke the fence. I said, but you spoil the people's property. Even I myself, because I used one room, my mom used one room. So the man started begging everybody. So even though we carry a landlord association to that man, we went there. All of us went there, and that soldier said we should not vex. That whatsoever that spoil is coming to rectify the whole fault. I say okay. The whole tenant also went there. They heard everything the man said. So the second day, all of us dey inside, we pack the water. So the second day, his husband called me and said it's like that roof is leaking. I say I've not heard anything like that. The man that stayed that room is still in that compound. And I called the man. I said, I bet you stayed inside that room at least for 3 years now. You've not complained anything. They said the roof is leaking. The man said the roof is not leaking, but he doesn't know, maybe something happened. I say okay. I say no problem. So as the man call me again, he say water dey enter. I say water no dey enter this compound. That is what I said earlier on. And me, I no be there I dey stay. I get my own house for Sango side. Na there I dey. So this number wey say if you call na my number, na the two number wey I dey use be this. So and when I come back, my mom call me and said they say the roof is leaking. I say but me I have not heard anything like that. I say okay, if I thought the roof is leaking, na solution we go find. I call the guy that is doing the carpentry. The guy said he's not around though, that we need to wait, that he went to work at maybe Jew side. I say okay. I say but don't be too late though, because people are complaining about the roof. You know. He said oh. I say okay. I say no problem. So later the man come also and say they've not done the roofing, that they want to bring another carpenter. I say you are free. Then I now tell him that shebi you know say not all carpentry can climb the house. So he say you know. I say okay. He call one carpentry company. Me I no dey around that day. So they said my mom, the two of them talk. I don't know. So when I come back, my mom give me feedback. I now call you. I said, where is the carpentry? He said the carpentry has left since mommy said if I come back. Okay, I say okay. I now call you. He said the carpentry come that he cannot climb the roofing. I said that is what I said earlier on, that not all can climb the roof. I say okay. So the second week, we find the man I was looking for, and the man did the roofing. They do everything. That second day, which the man finished that roofing, the carpentry come and ask you, is the roofing still leaking? You say no. I say okay. I say no problem. The man still there alive. He never die. I say okay. I say no problem. I now left. So the third day, you come and said the ground is bringing water. I say bringing which drinking water? Me have not hear that one. Where the water is passing, or how do you do the water? Which the water is coming from ground. I say na the same compound all of us dey. Others are not complaining all these things you are saying. But me I no know. The second day you invite me. I saw water on the ground. I say but me I have not seen anything like this. Since when these people dey here, I say I don't know wetin happen. I go house. I go my own house, because once I go like that, at times I use 3 days, at times a week. So after I come back, my mom call me that Esther insult her, that because the roof is leaking, it's starting causing her. I say mommy, I say I don't even interrupt whatsoever they are saying. Leave them on their own. I don't want to wahala. Once if he tell you say something is happen, tell am say if I come back. No, make you no dey reply anybody. Even though na all of them I even call, I tell them, I say once they lay any complaint, just tell them say if I come home, we will sort the matter. Say okay. So as she explained that Esther is causing her, that he is doing this, he is doing that, I now tell her, I say mommy, I don't this talk wey una dey talk, me it's like me I go tire for this talk. I now call the husband. I say Mr. Man, you know when you want to pack in, I tell you, I say na you and this grandma na you want to stay, and me I no dey like wahala, complain here and there, complain, and which you yourself you say you know say na old woman that was at times e dey happen like that. I say okay. Now when you come start the complaint, I still tell am like that. You come tell me say I say no, say na because of the roof wey dey leak, and I make am dey talk all those ones. I say because it's like me I no understand this matter again, or what do you want us to do? I throw the question to him that what do you want us to do? He say if they can rectify the roofing, that no problem. I say okay. So a week after again, he come. He say it's like that roofing. I say but you say when the carpenter come, you didn't mention anything about roof again. Now you say na water for ground again, na this and this. I say me I no understand again. I now say ask him, what do you want us to do? He say him sef no know because this water don too much o say him sef dey look wetin dem go do. I say but I don tell you later say if you and my this woman wey you see so, if you follow am drag anything, me and you no go take am easy o. And a week after he come, he say you wan pack. I say you wan pack? He say yes. I say if you wan pack fine, but if you wan pack, you know say you go cool down for your money if you wan pack, because as you bring the money na so we take dey repair the house. Na so I answer am. I say if you wan pack, you go cool down. No be say if you say you wan pack. Ah yes, the 2 months wey you use go deduct am. The NEPA light, the PSP and all other things go deduct am. Then we refund your money. So that is, and the day before yesterday, when I came back, na im dey bring paper say they need me. I was here yesterday. I didn't meet anybody. So that is what happened.
Didn't meet anybody.
Yeah.
In the dream, abi in the afternoon or in the midnight.
No, I was here yesterday.
What time?
I was here around 20 after 12. I saw one small girl. The girl was, I saw one small girl. He said he was busy pressing phone. I had her speaking with somebody, but I don't know. I was standing outside there. I said, this is Mr. Gbenga. They invite me. I don't, since I didn't see anybody, me I'm going. Maybe tomorrow I will come back. That is what happened.
Okay, so you actually tell them that you are going to minus the 2 months they spent.
The 2 months and the NEPA bill and the PSP.
What is NEPA bill?
Light bill.
The light bill for 1 room family.
2 months, man. 2 months.
The amount is how much? Are they bringing NEPA bill for them there?
Or
Are they bringing NEPA bill?
now the NEPA bill is there.
Okay, the 1 month is how much?
The last time they bring 30,000
For who?
for the whole house.
For the whole house?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they using in that room?
Now so they bring. It's the NEPA bill there.
That's what I'm saying now.
Now so this one where
You
they.
can't rectify is your beauty. You cannot ask somebody to come to the house and be paying 30,000 for a room.
No, we shouldn't. I think his own is not 30,000.
How many are you in that building? How many?
We are 5.
Five.
5.
5 of you.
Yeah.
So you divide 30,000 into 5. One person is how much?
6,000.
6,000.
Yeah.
So what and what did they have there in the room? Because light supposed to be checked by points. What and what did they have in the room? How many deep freezer? How many fridge? How many television? How many AC? How many fans? Then the light points.
We went to the NEPA station. We complained. They said we should till they will rectify the fault.
That one na your concern. That one na your building. You cannot ask somebody to come. Go to NEPA and go and sort out, because you cannot compare force any tenant to come and pay NEPA unnecessary bill. People cannot work and go and be paying NEPA for what does not worth it. What they should pay exactly what they are consuming. So if you stay in that house, NEPA use your house, they do ATM. You go there. If they did not rectify it, let them remove the wire until you finish the problem. When you finish the problem with them, sort out the bill with them. If they want to waive some, they waive some. They want the waive that remain for you to pay. And don't leave any outstanding bill for somebody to come. You now say they break NEPA bill. They move the what?
Me, I know they give anybody outstanding. I've applied for, which also we say the same thing. He said, this NEPA bill. I say at least so that they bring am. But we apply for recharge this thing. That is what a prepaid meter. I said we have applied for prepaid.
Even if you apply for prepaid, you will still pay the one they are giving you, except you meet them na resolver. If they give you prepaid, their first one, the recharge card they give to you. If you go again to go and recharge, they will not allow you to recharge except you pay the bill. So you have to go and sort it. You cannot have somebody that is living in a room to be paying NEPA bill of 6,000 naira, even with that holding the whole building. How much? Even office in a city, how much? It's much. And did you tell them when they were coming in? Did you tell them that the NEPA bill in that place that each person is paying 6,000 for one room?
No. And now until they bring see the May own now, they bring 15,000. June now, they bring 28,000. This one now, they bring 27,000. Now so that they so let's assume say the NEPA bill is equal now.
Now why are you laughing? Give him mic. Give her mic. Why are you laughing?
No, he tell my oga and that damn thing. He tell my oga that the bill is 7,400
For who?
for light for this month.
7,400.
7,400.
For all of you.
No, for only me. Only me. 7,400.
Open this door. Go there now. Open the door. Oga, why are you changing your voice?
I don't change voice.
Okay,
I said,
that's what you said.
no,
That's what he said.
your money is 7,400. Your money is 7,400. I said PSP is there. And guide man is there. No be wetin I tell you.
You want slapper? You want slapper?
I don't slap anybody.
Na so they talk to person.
It's like he's denying what I explained to him. I said, night guide is there, PSP is there, and the woman wey dey sweep is also there. No be wetin I explained to you.
And this one when he talk now, he tell me that the sweeping is 300 naira for a month. Abi no be wetin he tell me.
Calculate am now.
Give her phone. Oga, wetin dey calculate? Tell us wetin dey calculate. Which month? Which day dem pack into that house?
No, the first month wey dey packing, I told them, I say we are not collecting any money since the sweeper is not coming because he say he's a little bit strong. Na my sister dey sweep am. I say we no collect anything, but this month wey come now, I say na 300.
This July.
This July,
Okay.
I say it's 300.
Go ahead.
Light bill 1,003, 1,004.
How much is night guide?
Night guide na 1,000.
1,000.
Yes.
1,000.
Yeah.
So then pick where the street compound 300. You tell them about the night guide before they come.
I explain everything to them.
Okay. So 1,300
Yeah.
for night guide. What is it? He did not also tell you that one.
You know you won't tell me about anything night guard at all.
Do you have night guard there?
Man,
Yes or
there
no?
is pass. Sometimes around 12.
Do you have night guide?
Yes.
Because now you want to deny everything.
No, I'm not denying
Do
that.
you have night guard,
Yes,
madam?
I have.
Also, don't interrupt him again. Night guard is there, 1,000. Sweeping of ground, you have spent 1 month there, abi?
Yes,
months.
and that 1 month, they don't sweep anything. That 1 month as I enter, and all of us, they gather and sweep the pot and I wash it.
Who be the person welcome? The welcome. The person that you want to collect this 300, which day the sweeper go there to sweep the house?
He start this month. I told them, I said the woman is healed. Say he no come.
The one you want to collect from them, now they say nobody can sweep, and they ask you which day the person
na this month we dey talk now.
Did you come to
The
sweep?
woman come.
How many times in a week?
The woman dey come 3 times.
3 times
Yeah.
in a week,
Yeah.
or in a month?
In a week.
Eh?
Na a week.
Okay, you're not sure of what you're saying, so drop that 300 out of it. Until you give us anything you're saying, you must give us logic proof. In a week, no. In a month, no, it's not this, no, it's not that, no. You are not living there according to you. If they that are living there say nobody come there, you cannot force them to pay for what the person service the person did not render to them. If they have been seeing night guard, they will pay for night guard. Night guard 1,000. Then the NEPA bill, you cannot ask them to go and pay 6,000 naira a month for one room. What and what did you have in your room? Eh?
Only my fan and television.
Fan and television. So you will go and sort out the bill before you put anybody inside that house again. Go and rectify your house bill with NEPA. If you are 5 in your house and NEPA is bringing you 30,000 naira, even if you are living in Ibadan, come back to Lagos as far as to avoid problem with your tenants, sort it out, go to NEPA and resolve it once and for all. Get prepaid meter, put the prepaid meter in your house there. So that if they will be the one buying their recharge card. They are the one that will know how to use it. If you finish your card, stay in darkness. You have your card, let there be light. So if it's only one room, put that prepaid inside that one room. Ndidi, you will soon be blocked. If you disturb this your comment again, I will still block you because they have deleted your comment more than how many times. As you keep repeating it, the next one you will go for eviction. You will join that person inside that class where the person is. So what and what have you calculated now?
Light bill, 2 months plus the light bill.
2 months is how much? How did you calculate it?
So for light bill
For house rent,
for house na 5,000.
10,000
Yeah, a month.
plus 1,000. That is 11,000.
Na 2 months ma.
It's a 5,000.
Yeah.
2 months is
Na 2
10,000.
room. Na room and a parlour.
How much did they pay you, Oga?
Na 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
How many months? How many years they pay you?
Oh, a year.
How much altogether they pay you?
118.
$180.
Yeah.
It's not up to that.
Huh?
180. Is it with agency or only the house rent?
With agent agreement and the rest.
Eh?
Agent
Eh.
and agreement.
Mm.
Nine they join together.
You get an agreement
The-
and they join together.
The house is 120.
Payment 1 year, 120.
120,000
Yeah.
divided by 12.
And the last one that we pack in,
Hmm?
the last one that we pack inside that house.
Hold on first, I'm trying to calculate. You pay 120,000.
Yeah.
You divide it by 12 months. That is 10,000. 10,000 is what they are paying in their apartment. So you said you parking where? Last month what?
Last month on first, because he gave us receipt. We paid the money on 27, packing on first last month.
First of last month.
Yes.
First of this month.
First
Making
of
1
the
month.
Yes.
Yes? Are you going to back at this night?
Sorry.
Yes.
You enter that compound 27th of May. 27th of May. When you enter that house.
Hold on. However you calculated it, however she calculated it, is 2 months.
Now-
Whether she enter one first, and as far as she's not going out this night, she will still see on the first, making 2 months. If she enter 27th and she have seen 27th of this month, it's still 2 months.
Now in the head. And
So
she
you-
is saying na 1 month.
It's 2 months, madam.
I'm not saying it's 1 month, I'm saying it's 2 months.
You talk too much. That's the problem of you women. You overshadow your husband. Now after you don't talk now, you will not let this man talk. You want to talk that you are the head of the house. Stop disturbing me. That is 20,000. 20,000 plus security, 21,000. The light bill, you divide it into two. 3,000 times 2, that is 6,000. Making how much? Remain how much?
Yes.
What is PS?
Dustbin.
Have they been coming to pack the dustbin there? Have they been coming to pack dustbin in your house, Oga? Eh? I'm talking to you.
And they used to
Yes.
come. They used to come.
Okay, you want to join your wife in life?
No, I said yes.
They used to
So why they look at first?
I said yes. I didn't say anything.
Okay. Which is how much in a month? Eh?
You never see bill. Any all this never bill and those things, you never send bill. And never shows amount, never
I no show
bill.
you.
You not told me.
You no bring
Where have
bill.
you phone show you?
No bring any
How they
bill.
like money so you think
Come.
person
You not told me anything. He said like 7,400.
Come.
Why are you like this?
You no show them bill.
He not told me.
I
bill.
show him.
He not
Show
told me
us.
bill. He said only
Show me the bill.
I'll
7,400.
go bring the phone. Because it's
The
He
phone
said
is at
7,400.
But you
You
say
know
you show my husband.
the phone we used to collect all those
On NEPA, what of the PSP?
PSP.
There's bill for that.
eh?
He not told me anything. He said 7,400. Everything.
Everything
He
7,400.
said, that's so. He just said, he said 7,400.
Then we still arrive at 27,000 something. So you see the same. If you tell the 7,400 and we still calculate 7,000, hello. You see the same thing. So the PS become a how much?
No, that PSP, that 300, where I said, that sweepers, when you say the law for now, since they said the didn't see
PS is 300
yes,
and the woman also is 300. And she said the woman come, but she come once in a week. As far as the woman comes quick, then go pay. 300 plus 300, altogether now 7,000 what? 7,600. Making 27,600. So, how do we get their money? When are you giving them their money? Let them pack up from that house.
Ending
Talk.
of this month.
Eh?
Ending of this month.
Tomorrow is ending.
No, I mean, August ending.
You are not going to minus the money from their rent.
August ending.
If you want to refund the money to them, August ending, now you keep them there. Do you understand my logic? If you want to keep them till August ending, now you keep them there. And you are not saying you will minus August money out of it because now you say you won't refund the money. And now you keep them there. If you give them the money today, as in the hurry to come out, they will come out from your house.
Sorry.
Yeah.
If I give them their money today, they will back today also.
Yes.
August ending.
You hear, Abi?
Yes, ma'am.
If this money enter this office today, na go halele from that house even if na night was there. After all, shey na phone na dey for that house where they hang outside and you are sleeping on the floor. Okay. See me understand. So however,
When they go to how much is the money?
how
How much is the money?
they have calculated na one what 180.
180. $27,300, 600.
600, sorry.
150, 200, 2,000, 152.
1,400. Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me.
Yeah.
I want make up.
Okay, go ahead.
Maybe
How many minutes?
just to ask the money
No,
and
they say. He will refund the money. But now we'll balance the one that I stayed. But that rent went for it's for my television and my laptop. Even my bed, and my bed is not there, but it's all there open now. And the bed is outside.
and I go like this.
Okay, when they come. When you dey come, For that your complaint form, do you write those things?
Yeah, I said them that they said I should write it in short form.
Hmm?
They said I should write it in short form.
When I was interviewing you, did you say pay me my this thing? You said refund my money, I want to pay. So no be my mouth you wan carry bring out that law.
Yes, so far they don't return the agreement and condition. And that one is 60,000.
They come to register.
That one is
How is
60,000.
today's this?
When the value for house is something. So take it like that. 152,400. Anytime we give you more, maybe you can we share any of it. This is the way of it.
When you and your husband supposed to organize yourself, know what you want to demand. You say, give me my money, I want to go outside. Give me my money, I want to go outside. You say your phone stay outside. I was even the one asking you, did you video it? What and what is the thing damage? You did not talk. You want your money. You now want me now to put word into your mouth as if I'm having personal interest. Mr. Landlord, did you hear that they said their properties were damaged in that house because of that?
I saw it because also my property also we all went to that man that break the fence. We all went there together to complain.
To which man?
Now entire army wey dey at the back of our house na break the fence.
The one, they will ask you to pay for their damage because of it's your house. Dem go invite that army here as na don go there and the man say whatever is damage you will pay. You invite the man here, let the man come and pay you whatever your tenant is claiming, you pay them what you have damaged in your house. You give them apartments, you are the one that know how water flood into their house. They are not living in the street. They are living in your house. And water is not supposed to enter. And somebody went there to go and somebody went there to go and break fence. I don't know what you say the person the man did. And water flooded into the
It's almost everybody, even including mine.
That is your concern. If you damage your own and you are not concerned, the little they have is their own mansion. If you are not concerned of what they damage, that one na your own, na your choice. Even if your building collapse, you forgive who collapse the building. Na your choice, na your strength be that. And if somebody 1 naira loss and the person say, I don't want my 1 naira to loss, I suffer to get the 1 naira, you pay the person the 1 naira back. So what is the outcome of your call? Are you giving them the money now?
And
Then you allow me, allow you come go outside, go dey make. I think say you are coming and somebody dey this gate, you
no,
don't give it them.
where the person dey, in fact,
Oga landlord, write your name, your address, and write that you refund the total balance of 52,400 back to these people in this office on or before 30th of August 2021. Should I repeat myself?
yeah, can I ask one question?
Yes, please.
That light the occupy, I mean that house the occupy. How about this month never be?
Now you keep am there. They say they won't go, even if you give them their money now. They are ready to pack their things out of your house even today. So if you even bring the money here tomorrow, we will call them, they will pack out. If you don't want them to stay and accumulate any NEPA bill or anything. Return their money, let them leave.
Na the person wey hold the bill. I go back.
Stay here, answer the call.
Hello.
Sit down.
Kí lẹ sọ? Onídìí owó yẹn ni pé wọ́n ní onídìí. Hello. Na ten ant be like this one.
Hmm?
Na ten ant dey pay for this one.
The tenancy dispute. Like say this landlord will be clerk when in this school. Person I be class monitor. Make I read am first. Because so some people dey sit down for front desk wey dem write finish. Go come see say dem get zero wey get for class for result. To refund that balance to human rights defender to them via human rights office. Yes. Na here you go.
Okay, na here we take.
Yeah.
Okay, not Mr. and Mrs. Man.
No, leave am like that. Mr. Mr. Through human rights defender and access to justice office.
see this thing. Sign for it.
Write today's date in front of your signature and give that man to sign or the wife to sign. Did you write it?
Verse 11. Yeah. Write to me. Dates. Write dates. Done. Done. That's the date.
Madam, I want to warn you. So you are going back there. I heard what you said. That if you say your husband no dey house, the landlord sister that say what you will do to her. If you want to receive Yoruba mark from that house before you comot from there, go there and start making trouble as a market woman. I believe it's even when your husband is around that he will witness the trouble of that girl, that you now say because my husband is around. You are even praying if your husband is not around, you are ready to do the worst, and they will still deal with you as somebody that is not married. Because if you are married, you behave like somebody that is married. So you don't need to go and engage fight with anybody while your husband is not around or your husband is around. So you must respect yourself and respect the man that married you and keep peace. Even if you meet trouble tenants, where you are going to, one, you are going out of this man's house. Who know where you are going next? And who know what you are going to face? Whether it's going to be better or worse, they will pray for let it be better than where you are going. But in life, just pray, because even before you get into this man's house, you never knew you are coming to meet water or somebody is going to break fence and the fence will lead to erosion. You know the same thing that happened to these people here? That they block where what is it called, the water channel or drainage, and the whole water flood. People were floating inside their room, children were swimming just by the corner here. We went there, visit them. Chairman was giving them money and all that, both clothes, their phone. But that one, nobody knows who blocked the drainage, but it affects all the communities and everybody there a lot. It happened here just by this corner here. We're going about this thing. The same thing that people that even have this everywhere. So if that is the case, if you are living in that kind of house and something happened and it affect everybody, will you ask one person, whom are you going to go responsible to pay for your own damage? Life, you take life the way you make the life, but there's nothing in this life. Every one of us come and will pass through this world going somewhere. Nothing is here. So anything you are doing, you have to take it pele, because you should value the time, the period you are going to spend. I never see who don't spend 200 years for this life. And the ones I've seen, they say 90, 120. I've not even seen who reached 170. If I see history of 150, I'm still searching for it. So this period, the little year you want to spend here, you are not going to be a Methuselah. Spend it well. Try to be at peace with people. So if you are going back to that house, stay there in peace. Avoid that here as in they avoid death. Even if she's coming, you know that she's opening the door. First of all, go back to the room and lock your door. If you keep peace, That doesn't mean you are a coward. That makes you that makes you be the responsible person you are, meaning you are responsible. If you see trouble, you are looking for trouble, somebody will confront you with trouble, say, come, I'm ready for you. Then you have already measure up yourself at the same level with the person. Then landlord, because you are not staying there, please talk to your sister so that at the end of the day, we will not come there and arrest her for assault. One, if you touch her or go there and push her or do anything or throw something on her or pour water on her, anything you pour on person, as far as it's not the person that poured that thing on the person, you will explain why you pour. Even if it's pure water you are drinking, I use it to splash on you, you have right to arrest me. Why did I pour that water on you? Because only me know what the meaning behind what I did to you. So please, let your sister keep peace and avoid them. Not let there be no trouble. 4 weeks time, they will be out of your house. And by God's grace, another tenant will come. You live in peace with the person. Make sure your house is put in place so that people can live without complaining. And if you are staying there, are you going to use light or you are not going to use light? Should landlord disconnect the light? Okay. You go there so that they no go put bill for down. Just call the person, let them disconnect that room so that they don't have a additional bill for you for another tenant to come and take. You get me? Because if I say they are staying there, they are using light. I cannot say they should use light and keep the bill for you to pay because they enjoy the light and you are the one that is waiting to return the money. So if they say you should disconnect the room, let them just disconnect their room. And if you feel 3,000 naira or 6,000 naira is a small thing to you, they can enjoy their light and you don't want to be disconnecting and connecting, you leave it like that. So Magana Sembele, Abi? Yes.
This their food they put alongside the passage. I want them to pack it. They put those phone, na two phone, resting phone. They put it alongside the passage.
They say water spoil the phone. They are putting it outside for it to dry now. That person go carry soap phone inside room. You wan spoil their phone? You can't spoil that. Do you think anybody buy phone to come and put it on the back on a passage? They buy the phone to use. You bought Dunlop to sleep on your bed and you are sleeping on the floor. And you are telling them to put it inside room. You want to spoil, you want to still spoil more? Did they keep it there for fun? Is it for decoration? You had the woman saying, the water in your house finish her foam. And she's still drying it outside till this moment. If your phone dry and there is no water in your phone, you put it inside. So that they will not go and sprinkle anything on top of your phone for you. Talk loud. No.
The ceiling is a leak. If I drop the phone now, I'm not at any time. And I know
the whole ceiling in the 2 room, not the 2 room na dey.
That's true. Even the parlor one na dey come from down. The parlor one dey come from down.
Imagine.
And if I keep the phone now, no, water will still touch the phone. And as
which no be excuse me, let me tell you one thing. Hold this thing, hold it. Let me tell you what will happen, because even if this tenant before they pack out will come there, and if you come there after they pack out, you rent that house out, will discover that room is leaking, you collect money from anybody without you fixing that house, will arrest you and you will go in for it. Put your house in order before you collect money from anybody. Don't defraud anybody or inconvenience anybody. This phone issue have not ended. The things that damage have not ended. If your room is leaking from the ground, go and cement it or ask those that know what to do about it, let them do it. Don't keep rent that house out and you keep damaging people's properties in that house, and you come back, you are the agent, you are the commission collector, you are the landlord, only you, 3 in 1, and you are the lawyer. Then after how many months, you start having problem with them, you said you will refund, Put that house in order. Before they leave there, we will send people to come and check what they are saying. And if you refund their money they are leaving, don't rent the house out until you fix it. Some of you should have conscience. You can't be landlord and people you are renting, you're not giving house to them free of charge. Why will you give a woman being house?
Mommy,
at the end of the day, the person cannot
drinking water. It's only they want to leave that place.
We will go there. You say what?
They want to leave. They purposely want to
Leave the place out.
Before you return their money, you have to endure.
The woman that is in that same room, she's still in our compound, not today, and she never complained.
It's her room, the woman.
Why
You have to
the
endure.
woman
And
did you
little
enter
time.
another room? Why the woman did you enter another room?
I said I want to use.
I said, why
I don't
the
want to
woman
demarcate
leave
the
the
room.
room enter another
Now one they use the
Huh?
door. Now one. I said I don't
One
want.
there, one waiting. Why is the woman
Say
leave
the
the room
woman
enter
left to
another
leave
room?
them before.
She still there inside. She there our company now.
Hold on. Shey the woman live inside the room where these people they live before.
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Yes. The woman now you are talking. She dey live for their room before.
She did that room before.
Before she come comot. Why she come
She go
comot?
another that room now. Room and the parlor.
Eh.
We now separate the room. I say I don't want people to too much inside compound. And now because we demarcate that 2 room before. Then now we don't open that main one. I do it room and the parlor now. When my father was alive, they do it one.
Mommy, consent people. Let them come and see the room now. Consent people.
Forget about.
Mommy, evidence person dey there that day wey you went there for. If you want to that, let me call the person. The person dey hear Yoruba, dey hear Hausa, dey hear Igbo. Anyone wey use as go tell you.
The
You
question
ask
I'm
the person.
asking,
You have to endure.
there is a difference between house leaking, room leaking,
Yes.
and rain fall, water enter. Which one you dey talk?
Mommy, if rain fall, e dey enter. And the building from down dey leak. Water dey come from down. Even the ceiling dey leak. If you enter inside the ceiling, they use paper, be wetin come the place where they use am come the place and still this.
As you dey come, why you no snap all of them come?
My phone cannot video, na small phone cannot video the up. I try to video the up, the thing did not show
Must
well.
you video? I say why you no snap am?
The thing cannot go up straight, na small phone.
Can't go up.
The picture that I snap, I did not see the picture well. That is why I
Where
did
the
not-
house dey?
is the file here number 10.
This street.
Yes.
John. Oh yeah.
This one.
When I go there, go see that house and come back.
What is the name of this street, sir? This one, I live with it. This one, I
Yeah, fine. See a leg, but they see the back. Yes.
Yes.
Take the account number. You must not carry the money and come here. Take the account number, take Access Bank or you take Zenith Bank, anyone that is good for you, take it. If you like, be sending 20,000, 10,000, 5,000 from now till end of August. You must have finished refunding their money. If you like, go and collect rent from somebody while they are still living there. Now you know how you want to play your game. Bring am, pay to the once you pay, come and tell us, let them comot. If you bring it tomorrow, they will leave tomorrow. You bring it next tomorrow, they bring. Even if you go and you come back again before we close that, this is the money o, they will leave. We dey close 6 o'clock. Off the camera, off the this thing. Meanwhile, for better conclusion, from John, follow landlord and this person, these two whatever. The way you dey talk, you no dey talk like adult. You know, before you talk, you go dey shout, and nobody wey you shout on, where the person no go respond back to you in that kind of thing. You go calm down. Even if you want to make your point, you go still calm down, make your point. The house is not leaking, not by pointing hand inside his eye. The pointing hand, he points hand, that's what led to fight. You will still calm down. They are still very young now. They will build their own house one day by God's grace. If now they remember say person one day God go, Jesus go conserve everybody go vanish from this earth. Now for no even they talk about this, as everybody for look for where you go sleep until Jesus come. All right, go back, 3 of you, 4 of you, go and inspect the place and check how this place is and report back to us in few minutes.
I should follow them back.
Yes, now go with them now. Maybe
No,
they
I mean if they are coming.
yes. Yeah. Hmm? With which one? Not it, I'm bring it. Where is it? If you go there, help me enter camera. Make it nice. Hmm? Okay. You say the phone are good for this opportunity, Susan said, make I put my seat. You say this landlord and tenant matter for this social. No, only God will save us from their hand. All right, thank you, viewers, for being with us. We'll be back in a moment. God bless you.